Hi, my name is Brandon with Safe & Vault Store, and today we're going to be talking about the Barska AX-400 50-inch gun case. This case is Tsa Travel Compliant and has an 8-latch locking system to where you can lock it with a key or a padlock. This double-sided case unlatches very easy to get access to your weapons, and it will come standard with a strap so you can carry it, and also have 2 sets of keys for locking and unlocking. This case will come standard with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. If you're looking for a great travel case or just a case to go to the shooting range, this is a great case for you. Again, this is Brandon with Safe & Vault Store, and thanks for shopping with us.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates of all of our products and videos.